World Earth Day. April 22 is celebrated as World Earth Day. Let us see the detail of importance of celebrating such a day. Protection of Earth is the aim behind celebrating Earth Day. This is to increase awareness on people about protecting our environment.
Earth Day was first celebrated in 1917 April 2022 at USA. This was when peace activist John Connell proposed to honor Mother Earth Day during a UNESCO conference at San Francisco.
Who has to protect our Earth? We have to take pledge to protect our Earth. You know, today our water sources are totally polluted. Atmosphere is also polluted and the air we breathe is polluted.
Global warming and drought is almost burning our Earth. You know, a lot of animals and birds are dying due to scarcity of water during heavy drought. Even human beings are dying due to non-availability of water.
Hi everyone, my name is Warville. Welcome to our channel where you see my sister and me explore places around the world. So if you like to see what we get up to, make sure to subscribe our channel.
Even animals, birds and humans are killed due to high solar heat. Our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi said, "The world has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed." As they pass by, the importance of this quote is increasing. Our greed and focusing only on profit is destroying the ecosystem. Even our water resources are destroyed due to this. As water is getting polluted, seafood resources are also getting affected. This is possibly the most significant one yet because of the ongoing Save Soil movement that is roaring across the world. Let us pledge to make the world greener and cleaner. We are all in this together. Everyone has a responsibility to invest in our planet. The Earth Day, let us take a responsible step that will make a positive impact to the places where we live in, make this earth a better place to live in. Earth is the only planet where we have our families, relatives, friends and well-wishers. Let us take a pledge to plant more trees and save Earth. World Earth Day is celebrated with the aim of raising awareness about environmental issues which affect our planet, such as global warming and climate change. We emphasize increasing environmental problems, loss of biodiversity, depleting ozone layer and rising pollution. This celebration is important because it is spring in northern hemisphere and autumn in southern hemisphere around this time. Thanks for watching our video.